Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today I want to talk about a very unique brand. We always like when there's a brand who really listens to their customers, something made in the USA, and bringing something unique to the marketplace that we haven't seen before. Now we're really excited about this product. It is a fully machined in the USA from literally a chunk of aluminum. It's a third brake light that mounts 3 Baja Designs S2 lights. Now these lights can be used for a ton of purposes. Again, the center light is usually used for the cargo light, and then the outer 2 can be used either as a dust light if you're off-road, light up job sites, light up campsites, things like that. Again, for just being a small light, these lights are extremely bright, and 3 of them, typically a person couldn't even look into them directly. So again, this is a super unique part. It also comes with an option for an NMO mount, and an NMO mount is an antenna base for a ham or a race radio, typically used in like the Baja style racing, things like that. So if you even are mounting them on a work truck, it will work with a job site high frequency radio. Now obviously this light still has its brake light built in. There's 3 very bright LEDs below the S2 lights that are still that still maintain your factory functions, so you don't have to worry about losing a third brake light. Again, these are also very bright, arguably maybe even brighter than stock, because it's 3 very small, very powerful LED lights. So again, we're very excited to show you guys this product. It is something that is probably not a necessity, but something that is very cool to have on your truck. Most of us here at the shop have added them to our trucks as they've come out for the different models. They are available now for the Super Duty trucks as well as the Ram trucks. So yeah, if you want to get one on order, click the link down below. If you have any questions, comment, call, or email, and thanks for watching.